Hello, everyone. My name is Manli. I came from Tianjin Normal University. It's my great honor to share our research with you. The topic I share today is the relationship between the autonomic system and individual's resilience, the moderated effect of developmental stage. Psychological resilience is regarded as a dynamic process that individuals use their internal and external resources to adapt to stressful events. As a protective factor, resilience could help individuals to cope with stress effectively. A high level of resilience allows individuals to recover from stress on time. The autonomic nervous system regulates individuals' psychological activity under stress to maintain allostasis. NIs consists of the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Some researchers have explored the connection between NI's reactivity and resilience. For example, the change of LF between baseline and recovery was negatively correlated with resilience, but most of these studies focused on adults. Previous studies indicated that the psychological reactivity during stress is different in adolescents and adults. So the psychological features of high resilient adolescents are still unclear. This study was aimed to explore the moderated effect of developmental stage on the relationship between autonomic system and individual's resilience. We speculated that due to the immaturity of adolescents' NIs, the baseline RSA and LF of adolescents would be higher than adults, while RSA and LF would be lower in adolescents during stress. 2. The recovery of heart rate, RSA and LF, would be greater in adults. 3. Developmental stage would play a moderated role between NI's activity and resilience. In our research, we have 74 adolescents from one junior high school and 80 adults from one university in China. Participants were required to complete questionnaire, and all the subjects were fitted with electrodes and took the real social stress test, during which their heart rate was measured. Here is our result. In adolescence, heart rate and dirt heart rate were lower in the speech stage and higher in the recovery stage, indicating that autonomic nervous system in adolescence is not fully developed. The adults have low RSA than adolescents, and the changes of RSA in adolescence in recovery stage were smaller, indicating that adolescents' parasympathetic nervous system regulation ability is not flexible enough. And adult LFR was higher than adolescent LFR, indicating that the adults had more sympathetic nervous system activity. For the regression analysis, the development stage had a significant moderating effect on recovery of RSA and resilience. And another regression analysis shows that development stage had a significant moderating effect on the recovery of LF and meta resilience. Further analysis showed that recovery of LF and RSA had a significant predictive effect on the meta-resilience of adults. In conclusion, compared with adolescents, adults had more mature NIs and had better stress coping ability. Their developmental stage played a moderated role between RSA and LF recovery and resilience. High resilient adults had higher recovery RSA and LF. Lastly, thanks very much for the Philosophy and Social Science Planning Foundation of Tianjin and the Doctoral Fund of Tianjin University. And thanks very much for the Beijing K Laboratory of Behavior and Mental Health Peking University. Thanks very much all the members of our lab. Thanks for your attention.